Dito na to the exit. Dagat na oh, sa right side oh. On the right side.
Professional driver guy, you made it.
Wow.
Look at that. Di mo na dagat.
Is that the sea we're going in? It doesn't look like the ocean to me.
It is.
In 150 meters, turn right onto Cornelius Street.
Where Danica lives. Where Danica lives.
Naghal-hal na gid si Chichi.
It looks close to where Danica lives.
Ayaw ka dili makap.
You're right, the tide used to be over.
Called BGs. They're from here. They're from here, ba?
Not so sure. Nga naman dahil ilang ko.
No, what if it's a real person?
Morning monument or statue sa BGs katong gagmay pa sila dahil. Ha? So in honor ni sa BGs tiring area nasa Red Cliff.
Look at that.
Pantalan sa bye-bye. Mingaw ang pantalan.
No. No, stop. That is scary. Should I drop one of my shells?
You know, the one thing that doesn't make sense to
So
me
get
is...
and then make a wish. That's how it works.
No, I'm not doing it.
You guys want to know something?
Mama, take a picture. It's so beautiful.
Guys, move.
Ngayon sila cotton candy maker daw ni.
Oh,
Sa Danish
this?
dyan.
I think it's
Mo siya magteleskopyo.
whoa, whoa.
Uy, nisiga man.
Whoa! Like
Sige,
up
sige, do it.
again.
When I put my eye in there, it
Whoa!
Ay, musiga na siya. Imo yung anak tani.
Hey, let's try to make it. I think there's a movie.
No,
Or we can make make a shadow.
And in here too. Ay, there's a dragon here tani. Oh,
Oh, is that so? Move it.
hello,
You're
there's
not
a sea
children.
monster in here tani. Don't have a look, my sea monster.
Oh wow!
Banana.
Oh my god, that is so cool.
Tanaw tani, you can see a
Bethany,
sea
that is
monster
like
in
really cool. Hold on. Like
Sige, sige, spin it, spin it.
It's like really cool. Hold up.
here. Sige, roll, keep rolling.
You see it? It's like so cool.
No,
No
sea monster.
way.
You don't sea monster under the
Ayun,
port,
sa kanan.
ay.
Sige daw.
Hello.
Oh.
Ako
Keep
mag-roll
spinning.
Hindi, ikaw magtanaw.
Sige daw, keep spinning daw.
Okay. Can you see anything? Sea monster
Whoa!
under the
Look at
port.
that.
No, no. No, lights,
Saan,
lights
makita niyo mo?
flashing.
There's not. So it's our third day and we're heading to Brisbane. See you later. Ah, yan may fish pond ito. Hindi ka ng fishing permit mo? So you can fish ever? Oh, that's good. Oh my goodness, look at that. Grabe. So this is
Whoa! Is this Brisbane?
of course.
Well, is this Brisbane? Sure. That wasn't a long time.
Just follow lang siguro anong tao.
You're a scam parent.
You have
Okay,
arrived.
this is super fun. Let's go see. Come on, go park. Let's go to the mall.
Oh, diba? Ingon, I told you.
I think I made a mistake of not wanting to go here. Right, Mama?
Me too.
Please don't get my hair ruined.
Sometime around. Ay, ito ano yun pa ito. Sulos.
Ala, Nando's. Oh my gosh. I miss Nando's. Nangita pa mi og kaparkan kay it's full. Then we're gonna go under.
Pwede diha?
You're doing a car wash?
We're gonna
Mahar mo dahil nga hilog mo ta dito.
oh, good.
Asam ta dapit.
Nice. Aren't you excited to go in? We're at the big mall. Wala na mi ever since. Wala pa mi nakangantog ing ani kadako nga mall. At mall just talking around. Actually, may makalit na rin. Ano kasi na sinima mga sale.
Oh, let's go in there. Is that nice?
Daiso.
Let's go in. That looks so cool.
Who's this? I'm really
Cute, oh, cute items.
I know, right?
They love it. Kisa na si
Need that.
Poporo? Kisa na si Poporo? Chocolates I've got from Japan. Always pasalubong from our Japanese noodles. Nice! Makahappy sa mata. Got Daiso here.
Sold. Inada ko ba?
Mama?
Sound sa man? time.
What?
Boba tea.
Doing may kayang uwat og ko ano.
Let's go to CG.
Katong rock and roll. Nanatanan. Ha?
Mama, can we have the one with fish eggs?
Ah,
Mama, fish eggs.
ano ara sila o pisit-pisit.
Oh, that's cool.
Mommy, look.
It's running.
Mama, give me my boba. Give me my boba.
You guys know how to do this?
May ganda ka na tayo buga. Huh?
Mama, this one has
Yeah, you
eyes.
need 2 times like that. Saan mo na pag-uwi?
Mama, does this one
Oh, that's
have
what I
ice
don't know.
inside? Does this one have ice inside?